Click on the link below to get price. The GoPro HERO13 Black is a versatile and robust action camera designed for capturing high-resolution video and still images in a variety of environments. With its waterproof capabilities and rugged design, this camera seems well-suited for both adventurous outdoor enthusiasts and those simply looking to document their everyday lives with high-quality visuals. Upon first glance, the HERO13 Black maintains the compact and iconic design that GoPro is known for. It features a streamlined body that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, making it easy to transport during various activities. Moreover, the camera is equipped with a 2.27-inch touchscreen, which facilitates intuitive navigation through its menus and settings. One of the standout features of the HERO13 Black is its ability to record video in stunning 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. This level of detail can enhance the viewing experience, especially when capturing fast-moving subjects or expansive landscapes. For photography, the camera offers impressive 27-megapixel still images, ensuring that your photos are sharp and vibrant. Additionally, the camera supports various frame rates and resolutions, allowing for flexibility depending on the user's needs. The HERO13 Black is also designed for use in challenging conditions. With its waterproof housing, it can submerge to depths of up to 33 feet, making it a suitable companion for underwater adventures such as snorkeling or diving. Furthermore, the rugged build is designed to withstand shocks and impacts, which is beneficial for outdoor activities like hiking and mountain biking. Using the camera is relatively straightforward. The touchscreen interface allows users to switch between modes, adjust settings, and review footage with ease. It also supports voice commands, enabling hands-free operation, a particularly useful feature when your hands are occupied or when you are on the move. The camera's battery life is designed to last through extended use, and it can be charged via USB-C, which adds convenience for on-the-go charging. In conclusion, the GoPro HERO13 Black emerges as a capable action camera, blending high-quality video and photo capabilities with a durable design. Its waterproof nature and user-friendly interface are advantages for various activities, making it a reliable choice for both thrill-seekers and casual users alike. Whether you are capturing breathtaking landscapes or documenting daily moments, this camera offers a solid option for those seeking to enhance their visual storytelling.